Knowing relative, absolute, mixed cell reference in Excel is one of the basic but most important skill to have in Excel. If one understood this concept properly, then one can apply formulas in Excel in better way and in less time. Relative reference is default type of cell reference in Excel when cell or range reference is of same workbook. After copy pasting in other range, cell reference of formula automatically changes. In cell F4, I am writing is equal to A4. Here you can see by default no dollar sign is there before row and column, which means this cell reference is relative. Now, if I copy paste F4 cell formula in down cells, then this formula will refer different cells as you can see. Let's see working of relative reference. It works on pattern between formula cell in which formula is written and reference cell whose address is used in formula. Now in cell F4 I am writing is equal to C3. So here F4 is our formula cell and C3 is reference cell. In another words, you can say formula cell is referring cell which is 3 column left and 1 row above from formula cell. So whenever you copy paste F4 cell formula, same pattern is going to repeat. Now copy pasting F5, copy pasting in F5. As you can see, it is following the same pattern. Now what if I paste F4 formula in cell D9? Can you guess what will be cell reference? Here 3 left columns and 1 row above from cell D9 is cell A8, hence cell reference will be A8. As you can see after copy pasting. Here I will quickly apply formula for amount is equal to unit price into quantity. Now you need to build this formula in one cell only. You just need to copy paste D4 cell formula in down cell to auto calculate other SKU amount. Here you can see formula reference got automatically changed because of relative referencing. Now it is to be noted that when one use reference of any other workbook, then default cell reference is absolute one. Here as you can see, in absolute cell reference or address gets logged or fixed. After copy pasting in cells, reference does not change. In cell E3 I am writing is equal to B3. Now press F4 key to make it absolute. As you can see, dollar sign got placed before row and column and our reference becomes absolute from relative. Now if you copy paste cell E3 formula in any cell, then you will get same reference B3. As you can see, it is referring same cell. In another words, you can say our reference got logged or fixed. Now here in this table, we need to calculate incentive amount. Now if you multiply incentive percent value in cell C2 with cell amount, then you will get incentive amount. Here in this case, you can clearly see for each person incentive percent is same. Here in formula we should make C2 cell reference absolute or fixed and cell relative. Writing formula is equal to B2 into C2. Press F4 to make C2 absolute. Now copy paste cell C4 formula in lower cells. As you can see, in all cell formula, cell C2 reference is present. Now if you update C2 value, then incentive amount automatically changes for each person, since each formula in a cell referring same incentive percent value present in cell C2. Mixed cell reference is of two types: only row absolute reference and only column absolute reference. In row absolute, only row remains fixed. Here in cell C5, entering formula is equal to C4. Now press F4 key 2 times. As you can see, $sign got placed before row number, which is 4, and this becomes only row absolute cell reference. Press enter. Now when you copy this formula in any cell, formula will always refer 4th row. As you can see, now entering is equal to B5 in cell G5 and press F4 key 3 times. Now our reference become only column absolute, since $sign is placed before column B only, before B column B only, and press enter. Now copy paste G5 formula in other cells. As you can see, each cell formula referring same column. Now here in this table we need to calculate 3 different types of rates. Now enter formula in cell C6 is equal to B6 into 1 minus C4. Here you can see MRP column going to remain same for each formula, hence we should make column B absolute. Place cursor after B6 and press F4 key 3 times to make B column absolute. Also percent discount row going to remain same for each formula, hence we should make for row 4 absolute. Place cursor after C4 and press F4 key 2 times to make 4th row absolute and press enter. Now you will see beauty of mixed cell reference. Just copy cell C6 and paste in range C6 to E9. Now you can see cell reference of each formula. It clearly shows this Excel cell referencing knowledge can make our formula writing fast and maintainable. You can use F4 key to cycle between various cell references till your desired reference is achieved. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, then please subscribe, like, comment and share.